Digital solutions rely on complex technologies. But you don't need to worry about what's on the inside, because they're boxed into smart, user-friendly packages. Why can't somebody do the same when you want to digitalize your building's access? Actually, someone did. We took the most important elements of digital access and created SMARTair, the easy, out-of-the-box solution for digitalizing your access management. Install without disrupting your daily business by just choosing the devices you need and digitalize your access points one by one. SMARTair is digital to the core, working with a wide range of credentials to make access convenient for every user. Security is key. That's why SMARTair combines sophisticated encryption with durable hardware to boost your security from day one. SMARTair blends access smoothly into your existing company processes, making management of people, rooms, and time zones fast and flexible. Finally, scaling your system is child's play, meaning SMARTair prepares you for what's ahead. Meet your out-of-the-box solution that contains everything you need to digitalize your access. Start smart, stay smart with SMARTair from ASSA ABLOY.